Finally, the most awaited iPhone 13 is here. I had pre-booked it a week back, but I couldn't get this color on time. I had to wait for 3 more days to get this color. Finally, I have it. Coincidentally, I'm wearing the same color t-shirt, which matches the phone. Alright, so let's start with the unboxing. I like this box, which is very compact, very slim, and you know it's because there's no charger inside it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Okay, let's keep the phone here. We have this sticker. It's strange that they are giving only one sticker. Earlier they used to give 2 stickers. Okay, and there is the SIM removal tool. And this charging cable. So that's it, pretty simple, nothing else in the box. Okay, I'm gonna close this box, keep it aside. I like this color, it's very unique. Ta-da! So from the design perspective, we have glass on front and back, and this is aluminum since this is the 13 version. And the main difference from the design point of view is the camera, which is in diagonal position compared to the previous model. Apart from that, I feel everything else is similar when compared to the previous model. The model which I took is 256 GB, which is 10,000 more than the base version. So it's time to power on the phone. Right, so I have to restore my backup, which is in my Mac iTunes. So the restore is completed. I had a full backup of my old iPhone XR. I restored it from the iTunes. One thing I forgot to mention is that I purchased this phone with an exchange offer. I got a good deal from my older iPhone XR. The phone is ready. Before I show all the other features, the one thing which I'm very interested is the cinematic mode camera, which we're gonna see how it works. Select the cinematic mode in the camera, and here I have 2 boxes. So I'm gonna keep the camera here and focus on the 4S first. It's autofocus, I'm not doing anything manually. I'm just gonna move the phone so the focus works automatically. All right, here it's 4S, and I'm gonna show you. Wow, it works really well. Here's 4S. I'm gonna move to the iPhone 13 box. I'm gonna move back again. Box. Wow, it's really awesome. Okay, here's my friend Rohit. We're gonna check cinematic mode in the front camera. All right, so I'm gonna come front. So I'm gonna go back, and my friend is gonna come front. All right, so my friend is in the focus now. So I'm gonna come front. Let's check how it works. Yeah. So the cinematic mode is excellent. We have tested it from both front and back camera. It works fantastic. There are so many other features which I would like to discuss, but I will make a separate video with comparison of this phone and the older iPhone. Another thing I would like to show you here is this notch is reduced. We were waiting for this kind of reduction since the iPhone 10 release. They have shifted the speaker on top, so that space has been utilized to reduce the notch. So we have more screen space. Hope you enjoyed this first impression of iPhone 13. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like to my channel. Cheers.